Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure self-employed health insurance deduction in TurboTax, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open TurboTax and log into your account. From the main dashboard, select self-employed to start your tax return. Click on the section labeled Deductions and Credits. Click on Edit to begin configuring your health insurance deductions. Enter the total amount you paid for health insurance premiums. Make sure to include coverage for your spouse and dependents if applicable. TurboTax will guide you through the insurance types you can deduct. Ensure you include any long-term care insurance premiums, if relevant. Review the information to confirm its accuracy. If applicable, answer questions about any other insurance plans you might have. Once all information is entered, click Continue to save your details. TurboTax will automatically calculate your health insurance deduction. You can view the deduction summary in the Summary section. If needed, make adjustments by navigating back to the Deductions and Credits area. Finish by reviewing your overall self-employment income and expenses. Once satisfied, proceed to the next section of your tax return. Keep an eye on the estimated refund or amount owed as you make changes. This configuration helps maximize your deductions and reduce your taxable income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.